Hello there. So you want to know how you can join public Telegram channels? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So you can join a public Telegram channel by using the in-app search function or by tapping an invite. So let me just show you the method one first, which is using the Telegram search function. Simply go ahead and open your Telegram application, navigate to the chats down over here, and then click on this search bar. And this is where you can simply go ahead and search for any channels right over here. So for example, let's say Fortnite. If I search for Fortnite, as you can see, it's going to give me a couple of Fortnite channels that are public that I can simply go ahead and join. That is the first way to go ahead and do so, and the second one is going to be by using an invite link that people have sent you. So simply go ahead and paste that link right over here on the search bar and you'll get the channel. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button.